Welcome to this short video about discovering uTranslate, Ubiqus' first online translation platform. This is an internal sales and marketing presentation. In this presentation we will cover the background information and context of uTranslate, the project description, show you an access to the YouTube video to present the platform to clients, how to sell the platform, and tools and resources currently available. So why uTranslate? Some background and information and context. If we look at the offensive approach, Ubiqus Labs is recognized as a thought leader in the NMT technology because we are the administrator of the Open NMT Pi projects, and we've been doing this since 2017, for instance, so we have a real know-how. Ubiqus Labs developed NMT engine currently used in production, so in our CAD tool and also on the demo page of Ubiqus, which has been online since January 2018. And it's a trend that buyers are more discerning and they don't want to pay for FIPO translation. FIPO is for information purposes only. A more defensive approach is to look at the success of a platform called DeepL from Germany. It was launched in August 2017 in a B2C version and has since developed into a B2B version called DeepL Pro in 2018 and has gained a lot of momentum in Europe, as you can see, reaching about 40 million hits in a month in April 2019. And this has led to some erosion of market share in France, especially at financial institutions that use now DeepL Pro for FIPO translation. So what and when? The project descriptions. The project was initiated by the French team in April 2019. The project scope was initially to make a Me Too product to DeepL Pro. So something that we would really have the same feature as DeepL Pro, as you can see here. So it's a subscription-based platform first, so have a team created by an admin and several team members, and that the capacity to translate automatically either plain text, either typed in the box or copied from an email or any web page, so plain text translation, but also formatted documents such as Word, DocX, and PowerPoint's PPTX document. So that was the project scope. What we are going to launch with uTranslate and what are our differentiators is first about the security, because of course we keep the client's data hosted in our Ubiqus private cloud, so on our server located here in France, close to Paris. The specialized engine, that's definitely something, as we were saying, that we've been using in production by 150 users, 1.5 million words a day. So we are going to make available to our clients on the shelf the specialized engine that we use ourselves, so in the legal field, in the financial field, medical field, technical field, and even with the patents. So as a differentiator, clients will be able to have a more specific engine for their specific translation. And also what we will bring to the market is this brand new offer, which is to develop bespoke engine, meaning that Ubiqus can offer to create a brand new translation engine based on the client's data. And finally, being an LSP, Ubiqus has more to offer than just machine translation, and with uTranslate we offer an easy upgrade from machine to human translation after reading through the automatic translation. So if you want to see a demo of the platform and what it does, please have a look at this YouTube video. You can click in the PowerPoint presentation or go to this YouTube video here. And to sell the platform, what would be necessary to do by the sales team would be to first evaluate what would be the client benefit, especially from our specialized engine and all the language pairs that we are covering at the moment. We don't cover 100% of the languages, but the most common European languages, Arabic, Japanese, Russian also. But Basically, you can check the list on the next page. And as far as bespoke engines are concerned, we have now the know-how to develop bespoke engines for clients. And what is interesting is even if the data is scarce, meaning that even if the client only has target data, so we will back translate to get a source, a reliable source, and with less data that it's normally required to train a regular engine. So having 5 to 10,000 segments would allow us to train an engine versus the 10 million segments that are normally used to train a regular engine. So the uTranslate platform would be sold as a plan, so depending on the team size, so you need to define a number of people in the team, so that's always one admin and X users. The admin is then the administrators of all the other users. How long do you want the platform to be available to clients for? Is it on a monthly basis, on a yearly plan? You can of course invoice through 4D as often as you want. Translation allowance. So far the French team has decided to go for an unlimited plain text-to-text and unlimited docx and pptx document number, but this could be limited if you wished to. And there is also this ability to upgrade to post editing. For which language pair would you like to have this? And when the client would hit the upgrade button into uTranslate, what would that mean? Would that mean a quote to be sent to a PM or sales rep, or would that mean an order, meaning creating a job in 4D? So would then mean to agree on a post-editing price per language. The platform should be available during the autumn 2019. This is the list of engine. You can have a look through the PowerPoint. And in terms of tools and resources, what is available is this sales and marketing presentation, the client demo, which is available as a PowerPoint and as the video on YouTube. And what will be available when the platform is complete is the client guide on how to use it along with customer service. Thank you for your attention. Bye now.